How to blur face in Capcut. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Capcut application. Now go to new project. Now add any photo or video. Now to blur the face. Now go to effects and select video effects. Now tap on the source bar and search for blur. Now select any blur effect. Now go back, tap on adjust to reduce blur. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.